I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse.
Live your life while you have it. Life is a splendid gift. There is nothing small in it. For the greatest things grow by God's law out of the smallest. But to live your life, you must discipline it. Women have no sympathy, and my experience of women is almost as large as Europe.
Wise and humane management of the patient is the best safeguard against infection.
So never lose an opportunity of urging a practical beginning, however small, for it is wonderful how often in such matters the mustard seed germinates and roots itself. I think one's feelings waste themselves in words. They ought all to be distilled into actions which bring results. How very little can be done under the spirit of fear. It may seem a strange principle to enunciate as the very first requirement in a hospital that it should do the sick no harm. The greatest heroes are those who do their duty in the daily grind of domestic affairs whilst the world whirls as a maddening dreidel. Badly constructed houses do for the healthy what badly constructed hospitals do for the sick. Once ensure that the air in a house is stagnant, and sickness is certain to follow. It may seem a strange principle to enunciate as the very first requirement in a hospital that it should do the sick no harm. The greatest heroes are those who do their duty in the daily grind of domestic affairs whilst the world whirls as a maddening dreidel. The world is put back by the death of everyone who has to sacrifice the development of his or her peculiar gifts to conventionality. I have lived and slept in the same bed with English countesses and Prussian farm women. No woman has excited passions among women more than I have. Every nurse ought to be careful to wash her hands very frequently during the day, if her face too, so much the better. Sick children, if not too shy to speak, will always express this wish. They invariably prefer a story to be told to them rather than read to them. Why do people sit up so late, or more rarely, get up so early? Not because the day is not long enough, but because they have no time in the day to themselves. She said the object and color in the materials around us actually have a physical effect on us, on how we feel. I have learned to know God. I have recast my social belief. All my admirers are married. Most of my friends are dead, and I stand with all the world before me, where to choose a path to make in it.